statement or core message mao ang unity, kahiusahan. As they take a part in the mission of Him being sent by the Father. No? So, dinhi gihatag ang pulong nga commissioning. Commission. They are being commissioned. So, this is a sense grounded on apostleship. And what is the meaning of apostle? Being sent. And this is in a sense of authorization. Okay? And then furthermore, this authorization is not limited to their missionary activity within the church, but also includes outside the church. So, mao na ni diri ang makita nato nga mission, ipadala, no? Apil langkob ang gawas sa ilahang kaugalingon nga circle. And this is also connected with the bestowal of the Holy Spirit, which is in verse 22 that follows about the authorization to forgive or to retain sins. So, bugat kayo actually ang tahas. No? Ang pagpadayon sa buluhaton, sa gibuhat ni Jesus, mamahimo na silang bearer of the mission of the message. Ang paghatag og kinabuhi sa mga pagtulunan ni Jesus. And that is given or extended even to us. That's why every time we celebrate the Pentecost Sunday, it is actually a celebration of empowerment. Ang pangutana nato, asa man ta? Okay? So we are participants of the we are empowered to be participants of the continuous spread of the good news. And hopefully, we are able to show that in the way that each and everyone should also be able to show it. Okay. So, padayon ta. Verse 22. Naulahi ang verse 22 na. Okay. And he said, okay. And when he had said this, he breathed on them and said to them, receive the Holy Spirit. Okay. So, klaro kayo din sa verse 22. Okay? Breathe on them. The act of giving the Holy Spirit as empowerment of the disciples' mission recalls the texts like Genesis 2:7. Kung sa man ang Genesis 2:7, human og mugna og umol sa Dios gikan sa lapok, iyang gihuypan ang ilong og ang tao nahimong buhing linalang or nilalang. Kung sa may tinuod ani nga Cebuano, linalang o nilalang? Sayop. Unsa may root word? Lalang. Dili nalang. So, lalang, linalang. Dili nilalang. Sayop ng Cebuano biya nato? O daghan kay ta biya nga mga sipyat pero masabtan na lang kay wa may mamuyag. So, linalang. Kay lalang man ang word, lalang. Dili man nalang. Kay og nalang pa ng word, nilalang. Pero lalang man, so, linalang. Di-insert ang suffix. O sa tawag ana, dili, prefix. Naman siya ito nga. Infix. Infix. So, kuha, okay. Kuha, gikuha. Or kuha, kinuha. Okay. Lakaw, gilakaw, o nilakaw. Yun ana na atong language siya. So, mura man tag og mag-Cebuano grammar kung ano, no? Pero sabta na to. So, buhing linalang. Dili buhing nilalang, ha? Buhing linalang. Linalang. Nilalang. Og nilalang, wa tay labot. Nilalang. Wala tay labot. Linalang. Okay, linalang. Okay. Sige. Very interesting Cebuano language. Okay. Another reference to the breathing of the Spirit, the breathing on them. Ezekiel 37 verse 5. Unsa man ni siya nga episode sa Ezekiel? Mao ni ang pagbuhi sa Dios sa mga kalabera. Ang mga bukog iyang gitayhupan og nahimong mga buhing linalang, mga sundalo. No? And then you have Wisdom 17:11 also is an image of the breathing to give life. Okay? So that is about God's life-giving breath. Okay? Unsa na? Ruach. 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 Okay. Ayaw lang mong paduol sa inyong gisultian kay malagpot o niya ng iyong laway. Pero it's ruach. Okay. Sunod. The breathing on them is understood in broader sense, which is grounded on Jesus' equipping of the disciples for the work assigned to them. And this is the second core statement. Okay? Ang una is unity. Unity. Okay? Ang ikaduha, strengthening. Okay? And then, the expression, receive the Holy Spirit, is also a reference to the Holy Spirit in general, as in chapter 7, verse 39. Speaking about the coming of the Paraclete, the coming of the Spirit, as it is imparted to all believers. And this idea leads to the view that in John's Gospel, Easter and Pentecost coincide. Happens in one day, in the one and the same day. And that is to be read as the Johannine Pentecost. Muna siya rason nga nung kana ako gipili. Kay Pentecost Sunday man ta, nga wala may detalye og sa ebanghelyo nga pagkunsad sa Espiritu Santo, kay Acts 2 raman na siya sige. Nindot na siya diha kay that is on the evening of the first day of the week when Jesus resurrected from the dead. He breathed on them His Spirit. Pentecost in John's Gospel happens on the very same day of His resurrection. After all, the resurrection is life. Pagbalik sa kinabuhi. Okay? So, muna siya ang atuang kasing-kasing sa pagbasa. Verse 22, in reference to the Pentecost. Receive the Holy Spirit. But it doesn't end there. There is still the third core statement. And that is now in verse 23. Okay? Unsay nasulat diha? Whose sins you forgive are forgiven them, and whose sins you retain are retained. This is now the third core statement, conveying the central content and the authority of the disciples' mission. So, we talk about mission. Unsa man ang elemento sa mission? Unity, authority, strengthening, and forgiveness of sins. Kanang tulo, no? The three core statements. So, these last words clearly recalls Matthew chapter 16 verse 19 and 18 verse 18, which was spoken nga gisulti ngadto kang Pedro. Adunay personal dimension usa ra ka tawo giingnan ni Jesus. No, mo na siya gamiton kanunay sa CFD, no, about the role of Peter. But here it is to be understood having a direct and focused sense